CRP Series Oil-Water Separators require minimal maintenance, but you still need to do a couple of things over the course of a year. You should replace the antimicrobial pouch in the discharge outlet every 3 months. This pouch prevents algae formation in the discharge hose. High flow applications may require more frequent pouch changeouts. To replace the pouch, simply unscrew the cap, swap the old pouch for a new one, and replace the cap. The cap only needs to be hand tightened. Every year, you will want to replace the carbon exhaust filters on the top of the manifold. These filters prevent contaminants from exiting the system through these vents during decompression. To replace a filter, remove the thumb screws, carefully lift the spent filter from the vent, insert a new filter, and reattach the screws. As with antimicrobial pouches, high flow applications may require more frequent filter changeouts to maintain proper venting conditions. Be sure to replace both filters at the same time for optimal performance. Yearly maintenance kits that include all the pouches and filters you will need for a year's operation can be ordered from Clean Resources by calling 800-566-0402.